This is session number 86 of Enunciation Perfection by Nicholas Joseph Rosales. Today I'm going to introduce to you an idea or concept for a plant, an outdoor or indoor plant that you want protected from insects, animals, rodents, or anything that is harmful to the actual plant. This product is going to be like a see-through, aesthetic enhancing, eye-pleasing product with the sole purpose of keeping these plants healthy and repelling insects and large bugs, which is the same as insects, but whatever. So I asked Rock to create a business plan for this product that acts as a shield for plants but looks fancy like an umbrella with a translucent screen mesh product with micro holes that keep large insects and harmful UV rays from damaging plants, or actually is built with a technology that optimizes solar and weather conditions for efficient plant health. I've also integrated a watering system. Now, all plants have specific watering needs. So certain plants you water certain ways, basically. If you, for example, cactus do not need that much water because they thrive in desert conditions. However, certain other plants require lots of water to thrive, such as chili plants, or chili pepper plants, or maybe tomatoes, or you are planting a beautiful flower. Some of these different types of plants require different ways of watering your plant. Okay, so basically I am going to include a watering system, AI integrated filtration and servicing system. This is going to actually, you're going to put water in this unit, and this water is going to determine the amount necessary for the specific plant in question. And by the simple use of AI and plant knowledge, we can actually feed this AI system the information and tell it to water this plant based on the most plant efficient ways of being watered. For example, it'll tell you the levels. You can look up how much to water a certain plant, okay? And this AI device is going to already know this information. So you just tell it basically what type of plant it is, and it will take it from there. You will not need to water this yourself. You can go for weeks depending on how much water you put in the main bucket or whatever you have storing the water, and then it will water it for you in like a little sprinkler system or in a root watering system. So it'll place water the most efficient way possible. Now my idea is going to be something that you can see the plant with, and the plant can actually thrive in the air outside. So it's going to be able to get all the fresh air it needs, get all the sun it needs, get all the water and basic needs it needs, but in an efficient way. So now this umbrella, or this PlantGuardian I'm calling it, is going to protect your plant from anything that's going to harm your plant and actually make your plant grow and thrive more efficiently the way it's supposed to. In an era where urban gardening and sustainable plant care are increasingly valued, PlantGuardian represents a sophisticated innovation in plant protection technology. This premium, fully enclosing shield combines the timeless elegance of a translucent dome or umbrella-shaped enclosure with advanced functional design, allowing plants to remain fully visible while delivering comprehensive safeguarding. We are going to make these devices, or these products, look appealing to the human eye. So they will look like a fancy little dome for your plant, or a fancy little home for your plant, basically. Crafted from high clarity, UV resistant materials with ultra fine micro mesh venting, PlantGuardian completely encases individual plants or small clusters, creating a micro environment that blocks large insects, filters harmful UV rays, and mitigates adverse weather conditions without compromising airflow, light penetration, or aesthetic appeal. The result is a crystal clear protective bubble that preserves the natural beauty of your garden, enhancing rather than obscuring its visual charm. To further elevate plant health, PlantGuardian integrates an AI-powered automatic watering system that intelligently assesses each plant's unique needs. Using embedded soil moisture sensors, real-time environmental data, and machine learning algorithms, the system delivers precisely the optimal amount of water, preventing over or under watering while adapting to factors like plant species, growth stage, and weathering forecasts. This ensures robust, thriving growth with minimal user intervention, drawing on proven AI technologies for precision irrigation. Advanced models also incorporate smart sensors to monitor and optimize solar exposure, humidity, and temperature, ensuring ideal conditions for overall plant vitality. PlantGuardian is a perfect fusion of form and function for discerning gardeners seeking eco-friendly, chemical-free solutions that elevate outdoor spaces. Introducing PlantGuardian, elegant protection for thriving gardens. In an era where urban gardening and sustainable plant care are increasingly valued, PlantGuardian represents a sophisticated innovation in plant protection technology. This premium, fully enclosing shield combines the timeless elegance of a translucent dome or umbrella-shaped enclosure with advanced functional design, allowing plants to remain fully visible while delivering comprehensive safeguarding. Advanced models incorporate smart sensors to monitor and optimize solar exposure, humidity, and temperature, ensuring ideal conditions for robust health and growth. It is a perfect fusion of form and function for discerning gardeners seeking eco-friendly, chemical-free solutions that elevate outdoor spaces. Executive summary. PlantGuardian Umbrella is an innovative, stylish plant protection product designed to shield outdoor and urban garden plants from harmful insects, excessive UV rays, and adverse weather conditions while optimizing growth through integrated smart technology. Shaped like a premium umbrella with a translucent mesh screen featuring micro holes, it combines aesthetic appeal with functionality, targeting urban gardeners, homeowners, and small-scale farmers seeking eco-friendly alternatives to chemical pesticides. The global gardening and landscaping market is projected to reach $362.16 billion in 2026. Driven by rising interest in urban farming and sustainable practices. Meanwhile, the home and garden pesticides market, valued at $9.65 billion in 2025, indicates strong demand for non-chemical protection solutions, expected to grow to $14.42 billion in 2031. Our product differentiates through smart features like sensors for real-time monitoring of light, humidity, and temperature, with app integration for automated adjustments. Startup costs are estimated at $500,000 with projected first-year revenue of $1.2 million from direct-to-consumer sales and partnerships. We aim for profitability within 18 months, capturing 1% of the U.S. turf and ornamental protection market valued at $2.38 billion in 2025. The company description. The business name is PlantGuardian LLC. The location is here in Pico Rivera, and it is a limited liability company. The mission is to revolutionize plant care by providing elegant, tech-enabled shields that promote healthy growth in urban and suburban environments, reducing reliance on harmful chemicals. Become the leading provider of smart gardening accessories worldwide by 2030. The company will start as an e-commerce focused entity, expanding to retail partnerships with garden centers like Home Depot and online platforms like Amazon. Market analysis. The gardening industry is booming due to trends in urban agriculture where space constraints and environmental concerns drive demand for efficient tech-integrated solutions. Urban farming incorporates IoT, AI analytics, and automation for optimized crop growth, aligning with our smart features, high-tech innovations like vertical farms and controlled environment agriculture emphasize optimal conditions for plants, including light and weather management. Key market segments. Urban gardeners. Millennials and Gen Z in cities prioritizing sustainability. Urban agriculture trends show rising vertical farms and rooftop gardens. Homeowners. Suburban users seeking decorative yet functional gardening tools. So this is going to be for the average guy who wants to have a nice plant outside but doesn't want any insects and doesn't want any other things, attacking it, and wants it to thrive. Say he wants to grow a chili pepper tree or a chili pepper plant, basically a plant that thrives and actually produces a lot of chili peppers, habaneros, jalapenos, or whatever China pepper you are thinking about growing, or you want tomatoes or something like that. These domes or umbrellas are going to be beautifully added additions to your garden, and you are going to be able to keep track and look at your garden and even have it in an organized fashion. Say if you order like 10 of these domes are, perfect sizing, AI integrated umbrella mesh guardians for your plants, your plant will look uniform and organized and nice and neat. And no one needs to worry about bugs, no one needs to worry about insects, no one needs to worry about anything harming your plants because it is protected. Okay. Competitors. Direct competitors include basic mesh netting and row covers from brands like Gardener Supply and Amazon sellers. Products like Garden Net Umbrella Fruit Protection from Shenzhen Blueprint Umbrella Company offers simple netting but lacks smart tech. Indirect competitors are chemical pesticides and smart indoor gardens driven systems valued at $250 million by 2032. Okay, so my SWOT analysis. My strengths are the unique umbrella design with aesthetics and smart tech integration. My AI for plant health optimization. My weaknesses are a higher price point, $50 through $150 per unit, versus basic netting is $10 through $30. But you see, mine's not only mine's going to have a watering system, it's going to have a perfect plant guardian to help your plant thrive and grow and actually cater to those who are busy. Cater to those who do not have time to be watering their plants all the time, who do not want to be watering their plants all the time, but still want them to grow efficiently and be healthy. Because now you have an AI integrated system that knows how much to water your plant whenever you are away. Weaknesses are a higher price point, okay? Opportunities, growing urban farming and hydroponic trends. So this can be focused towards the hydroponic industry or the marijuana industry even. But I'm not even going there with that, but this will very much optimize any type of plant or garden you have that insects or UV rays are a concern. And the threats are low-cost imports, weather variability, and affecting outdoor use. So since these are see-through and mesh, you're still going to get rainfall on them. You're still going to get the atmosphere surrounding it, okay? So you got to keep that in mind as well. But it is going to protect it from any insects and any harmful effects around you. A little rain is okay. A little water is okay, okay? But if we have an umbrella, we can simply pull up the umbrella and it'll deflect the rainfall from getting on the garden, because your garden's already being watered in the most efficient possible way with our AI watering system. And since our AI integration watering system is going to be so intelligent, it is going to know whether or not to utilize our water versus the rainwater it collects whenever the rain does fall on our plant. So it will be able to have the intelligence to measure whether or not to need to water it that day or to let it not be watered. Sometimes overwatering is a problem, but sometimes we can make this work to our advantage by taking the weather considerations into mind or into thoughts. We can actually predict our watering needs. So if we know that it's going to rain, and if we have the weather integrated within our AI system, and having that a key factor of its watering processing, then we can basically utilize that to our advantage and not have to water with our water and utilize the rainwater as much as we can possibly do. The PlantGuardian umbrella is a collapsible umbrella style shield made from UV resistant polyethylene mesh with micro holes to block large insects like birds, bats, and fruit flies while allowing air, water, and beneficial pollinators through. The translucent material filters harmful UV rays and is durable against fading. Smart features. Embedded sensors monitor solar exposure, humidity, and temperature. Bluetooth app connectivity for real-time alerts and auto adjustments. Optional add-ons are solar-powered LED grow lights or automated misting. Materials are reusable and eco-friendly, aligning with sustainable trends. One second. Thank you.
It smells musty in here.
You smell musty in here. Don't be saying shit like that when I'm in a session right now. I'm in a session right now, so I don't need you complaining in my session, alright? So,
Okay, just make sure you wash dishes.
you don't tell me what to do in my sessions like that.
It's not like it's wet. Like it's
I'm
something
trying to
mildewy.
record here.
No, but nothing like
Do I have to pause this? You straight? Well, I'm basically done here. Sorry about the interruption from my neighbor. I'm just kidding. From Greg Wieners wants to come in and complain, tell me to wash the dishes and shit. Don't mind her. She's probably on her period or something, and she wants to just fuck up my fucking my whole video, 16 minutes. But I'm not gonna. See, he killed my professionalism all the time, but you know, who cares? I'm still gonna release this, and you're still gonna appreciate it. So either fuck you or fuck you both. Either way, this was session number 86 with Nicholas Joseph Rosales, and this is Enunciation Perfection. Thank you.